Hi everyone. Today is block 6, the variable star, also known as the sawtooth star, for Just Spooling Around by Nancy McNally. For our star points of the variable star block, we're going to use a different method other than the stitch and flip method, which we've been using to join our other components of our spool block. I brought my iron mat over onto my cutting table so that you could see the fabrics for our star points a little easier. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our yellow triangle. You're going to align this tip to that tip of your other triangle. And you're going to sew a 1/4 inch seam. Then you're going to flip this in place. Press your seam allowance and you will press towards the yellow. Then you will repeat the process by aligning the other side. Stitch your 1/4 inch seam allowance, flip it in place, and press with your iron. All right, let me get mine pieced, and then we'll repeat the process to do the other 3. So we'll have a total of 4 star points. I have one triangle, or one side of my star point, already joined. So let's trim off the excess. It's easier to trim to cut off our excess if you flip your star point over, put the right side down on the mat, and then you can trim right here. You align your rotary cutter right along the edge and just give it a little push. You don't have to roll it. And then you cut off your star tip. Now I'm going to join the next side. Press my seam allowance. I'm going to trim off our little mouse ears, our little excess triangles, or little bunny ears, whatever you want to call them. There we go. So don't forget, repeat the process. You need to make a total of 4 of these. So now our next step will be we need to join a 2-inch square on either side of just 2 of our star tips. And then the other 2 will go here. Let's move this up here. There, that's better. And then the other 2 will join to our center square. Okay, let me get mine done. Next step is just to join our top and bottom rows to our center. Don't forget to press in the direction that the arrows show in the pattern. Now we have our variable star all joined in together and ready to move on to the next step. So you know your next step is to, oops, and I dropped mine, add your side pieces, add your side bars. Then you're going to add your top and your bottom bars. Next, you will add your light color side bars. Whoops. And you should already have your spool top and bottom together. Okay, let's get this pieced and we'll have our block finished. Almost there. I just have a few more seams to do and mine will be done. I think this block is adorable with this black and white polka dot. All right, my variable star block number 6 is done. Well, I hope you are having fun creating these different spool blocks. Quick and easy. I know one person emailed me and she's going to use this quilt once it's finished to display in her sewing room. And don't forget, in block 5, I showed you how you could take the blocks and staple them to a canvas so that you could decorate your walls with individual blocks. Okay, everybody, stay tuned for next week's block number 7. I hope you're enjoying all of this. Have a wonderful day.